Good morning. My name is Matt Pulowski. I'm from GCU's cybersecurity program, and I want to talk briefly about file systems and storage devices. The points I'll be discussing are the similarities and differences in Windows and Linux file systems and a preference in a business setting, two types of enterprise storage solutions, and the ethical decision-making process when choosing a storage solution. Two of the main file systems available are the Windows file system and the Linux file system. Windows stores files on different data drives, denoted by letters such as C drive. Linux uses a hierarchical directory system, which starts with the root directory and branches out from there. Windows differentiates between devices and files, while Linux considers everything a file, even the mouse and keyboard. Windows has 4 user account types: guest, child, standard, and administrator. Linux only has 3 account types: service, root, which is equivalent to administrator, and standard. In the Windows system, files cannot have the same name and the file names are not case sensitive. In Linux, the file names are case sensitive, so having a single capital letter will differentiate the files. And finally, in Windows, the main user directory is My Documents, while in Linux it is /home/username. Here is a visual aid showing the differences and similarities between Windows and Linux. Note that the Windows system has folders containing multiple files, whereas Linux does not. It should be noted that there are many subdirectories on a Linux system, which are consistent with folders. As far as a file system preference goes, there are many benefits of having either system. For Windows, a majority of other businesses use the Windows system, and they are commercially available. There is a larger amount of software and support for these systems, and there is more familiarity with the system due to widespread use. Therefore, your employees will have a lower learning curve. However, from a business perspective, Linux is a free and open source system, meaning that the costs to use it are low, the operations are executed more efficiently, and the system is more secured compared to Windows. Linux has the additional benefits of being able to access the source code, which Windows does not provide, and it is used for white hat hacking. In my opinion, there is no wrong choice, but Linux is overall the more secure and cheaper option. However, Windows has more support and familiarity, so less of a learning curve for the employees. The two kinds of enterprise storage solutions I want to discuss are direct attached storage and network attached storage. Direct attached storage is external hard disk drives, which limit the data to one computer via cable connection, and the connection is slow and is limited to the size of the drive itself. This means that when more memory is needed, more hard drives need to be purchased. It also creates a burden on the employees to physically secure their external drives when not in use. Network attached drives, on the other hand, allow files stored on one device to be accessed by anyone else on the local area network. The files are able to be accessed faster, and the administrator can place access restrictions on the files to maintain their security and integrity. This solution is more scalable and cost-effective because it does not require the purchase of additional drives and is cheaper than cloud storage. So there are some ethical considerations in the use of storage devices in an enterprise network, especially where cost considerations are important. Most importantly, there is an ethical need to keep data containing personal information and customer information secure. This needs to be taken into account when deciding on a storage solution. Other considerations are for the company itself, such as the usability, scalability, and cost of the storage solution, and for the users, which their considerations are the usability and security of the system. These considerations must be balanced, but the ethical obligation for data security must trump the company's desire to maintain a low cost. Please let me know if there are any questions. Here are some references for further information. Thank you.